Yo! Oh my God. Kyle, I think this is the nicest car wrap I've ever seen in my entire life. Let's go.
Hello, hello. It is 12:19 Thursday afternoon. I'm on my lunch break, so I'm kind of making a sprint out to Deer Park to pick up Asa, the WRX. If you've been following along on Instagram or on YouTube, you know that it's been a long process to get the 3.0 version of her out, and she's done. She is done today, so I'm gonna come grab her, and I'm leaving the minivan here for StradaWorks Tony to work on. I'm just excited to have my car back. Oh my God. I'm not gonna reveal her just yet. You guys are gonna have to stay tuned into a little bit more into this video, but oh, this is fun. This is fun. I'm nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous. I'm gonna vomit. I feel I'm gonna puke. Okay, so we have the car. She feels great. You can't see her yet though. Not just yet. So I'm trying to make it home. There was you know, forecasted thunderstorms and all that good stuff, but hopefully the weather holds just long enough where I could just go and take some pictures and show everybody. I'm here with Milton. We're waiting on Anthony to come out to see the wrap. What do you think, Milt?
I think it is, to be honest, I liked your last wrap. I love this wrap.
Yeah, dude. Oh,
this is way sicker.
Dude, I am in love with this wrap. It's, I can't wait to reveal it. I just wish the weather would, it looks like it's passing, so I'm gonna go down there.
Oh, wow.
Come here, bud. I haven't shown the audience what we're working with. I want to get everyone's reactions.
Yo.
I know.
Yo.
Hold on, let me get in front.
Yo. Oh my God. Oh, the taillights.
Yeah. All right, you ready?
Yeah. If this whole wrap lights up, I'm gonna shit a house. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God. I don't know how many years I've waited for that.
How is that?
I don't know how many years I've waited for that. Kyle, I think this is the nicest car wrap I've ever seen in my entire life.
Let's go. Dude, look at the calipers.
No, that looks so good.
We feeling it?
I can't get over this. This is Calvin. This is by far the best. Not just because it's Kyle's car. This is the best. This is the best work I've ever seen on a wrap for a car ever. This is like this is the premiere. Like, holy shit.
Tomorrow.
So it's currently 5:51 in the morning. I've been up since about 4:30. I was gonna take some reveal shots of the car yesterday, but Mother Nature got the best of us, and it rained really, really hard for longer than expected. As a result, I got up at the crack of dawn. I wrapped my emblem. I did that. Calvin, you'd be proud of me. And I drove to a spot that I know that is decent for pictures, has good lighting, and I'm gonna try to take my reveal pictures, go home and edit them, and still go to work after. That's dedication. So ladies and gentlemen, after a long, long wait, I present to you Asa 3.0. All right, it is 6:30. I have about an hour and 15 minutes to get home and edit some of the pictures. Yeah, these guys were just watching me the whole time, but that's okay. That's okay, because you know we're doing something special. Yeah, so Asa is bagged now. She's wrapped. I remember when I was debating between a new wrap and bags, but that acid situation, you know, the one from the train, really threw a wrench into my plans because I was leaning towards bags because I really like that first wrap. But luckily I had enough money saved up and I worked enough hours to actually do both. It's been a long time coming. Just the design alone was probably 7 months in the making, and we were probably going back and forth on it for about 3 months. Just, you know, I made a render in Photoshop. I said, this is what I want. The car was originally supposed to be white, orange, gray, and black, But I figured my car's already white, and if I'm gonna do a full wrap this time, let's do something different. So I changed the color to green, yellow, gray, and black. And Corsa Auto Design added the hints of orange just to make it pop that much more. And then I gotta give a huge shout out to StradaWorks, Tony, because he got the car on bags. He did my brakes because I was due for a brake job. I'm now running a Faction Fab brake setup, so brake pads, rotors, and steel lines. So he not only did my brakes, he got me on bags, and we had a few snags, that being one of my compressors failed, which is fine. The tank, the original tank that I bought, had a leak in it. So shout out to my coworker, Eddie, from Spoiler King, aka Staheezy, for giving me his tank on such short notice. I literally told him the day I found out that I had a leak in my tank, he said, yo, I have an extra one, just go ahead and take it. So bro, you really helped save this project more than you know. Tony also did my foglight bezel. He did all the rewiring and all that good stuff. There's a lot that Tony did. He took the car apart, put it back together. I also have to give a huge shout out to Calvin, the OG. He's the one that pretty much introduced me into this whole wrap thing. And he wrapped the car. He wrapped the car incredibly. This design was very challenging. Some aspects of it were damn near impossible, and he managed to pull it off. You can hear from Anthony's reaction yesterday that, you know, he was blown away, and Calvin only does good work. And I'm proud to call him my friend, and I'm proud to take my car to him and get it done. I really have to thank everybody who was involved. That's why they are on the car, because without them, my vision would just be a vision. You know, none of it would have come to pass. I'm very proud of what we did here. I'm very proud of how everything came out. I'm not proud of this lighting because it's now like half blown out. I should have done that from the start. I'm incredibly proud of everyone's work. Everyone did an excellent job, put in a lot of hours for this design. Because I deleted my factory turn signal, I have to get the hyperblink module, so that's why we're getting the... That's fine. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this design. Let me know what you think I should do next for the WRX. I don't think I'm gonna do anything else cosmetic. Because, oh my god, even though this thing turned out great, there were so many like stressful moments for this thing with scheduling. And you know, I quit my first job in Staten Island, and I managed to get a new job all while this was all happening. So I was like, am I gonna run out of money for this project? It was a lot. It was very stressful. But yeah, this is ASA 3.0. I haven't even gotten the chance to go over everything in detail of what's done to this car, like the graphene coating and everything. This is just the reveal video. Please stay tuned, and if you have any questions about anything that's done to this car, please leave it in the comments. I'll try my best to answer it as soon as possible.
If I gotta die, I'm going like the greats. I don't plan it, but I live like it's today. Pop a quarter off a quarter and I'm straight. She can't stand me, but she came here anyway. If I gotta die, I'm going like the greats.